Hey, my friend and fellow content creator. I am so excited that you have invested in this planner. You are going to absolutely love it. I promise. If you don't, just let me know and I will figure out a way to reimburse you. Now, listen, you guys, you do not have to buy all of these extra things that I have put for you in an Amazon idea list. But if you do, it is so super fun. I'm just showing you how easy it is to add the monthly tabs to the side of your planner. And then these are just some really fun stickers. Again, these are not requirements to follow along with us each week, but they sure make it fun. So I'm just showing you how you can add the stickers and try to avoid, some of the boxes that we're going to be using for other details. I'm putting some stickers just for fun on some of the weekends and then some of the holidays. So this is meant to just feed into that creative side of your brain and let you have some fun each and every month, just getting your month ready to go for content. Now, I recommended these fun, colorful pens because they are not only colorful, but they are erasable. And I'm just showing you on this first page of your planner, it says big goals, and that's where we're going to write our big, scary goals, and then create a progress stars system for every time we hit one of our milestones. So on here, you can see I'm showing you that it can erase. I put make Mediavine for a new blog, whatever you want to put as your biggest goals there. Then over here under the next page, you're going to see this option for monthly planning. And this is just loose ideas. And you could put holidays in here. I put winter transition and decluttering for January. You can obviously personalize this to whatever you want. I put Valentine's ideas for February. And just for sake of time, I'm not going to fill out all of the months with you, but I'm just showing you kind of an idea of how you can utilize this portion of the planner. This is for your big content ideas for the month. Then you're going to go to the next page where you're going to see detailed months with several lines. This is for actual titles for blog posts or content that you're going to create based on the ideas that you put on the page before. So in January, I had the winter and the declutter. And so I'm writing out how to transform your front porch as an idea, an easy winter wreath as an idea, how to store ornaments, and then spring cleaning hacks. Just an idea of how you can use this. And then for the Valentine's and the February one, I put 9 candles you will love. And then you can see that I added another sentence here for a more Valentine's, idea, which was writing a poem and last minute gifts that say I love you for some sort of an affiliate, maybe post that I might want to do. And this is where you can just study your keywords a little bit and go ahead and get those big ideas and their content titles written out for each week of the month. Then you're going to flip to your big month at a glance view. And on this portion, you're going to fill in first. I didn't show you here, but you're going to put in your personal stuff first, like all your vacations, your holidays, things that you need to know for personal. And then you're going to go back to each of those months and the topic and put it down on what day you're going to create what content. So for me, it's really nice at a glance to see either what brand collaborations I have due that month at a glance. I like to see what I'm going to put out in affiliate content and what I'm going to put out for, say, a specific platform like my YouTube videos. And I like to see all of those things at a glance. And then at the very bottom here of each month, I've made it super convenient for you to to write out your goals and your social stats. So you can put whatever you want here. I'm putting my goals, and then I will go back and put my actuals. But if you don't have a blog on this bottom part, you can use these squares to put whatever content you want. Make it your own, you guys. And I love this portion. Every single month, you'll have a little QR code with a little motivational blurb here. And you can click on that and it will take you to a page with some mindset and motivation for the month and what we should be working on. So each week you will see a daily planner that is mapped out by the hour. And so what I like to do is go back through those first few pages and then put down when I'm going to publish these things. So that front porch post, I'm going to publish it on that first Wednesday. And then over here at the bottom, you'll see content plans. That is what I'm planning to do for social. So I'll say a reel or an LTK post, and you can see which things I want to make sure I publish on which days. And that I left all loose where you can just make notes and make changes and whatever you want in that section so that it's super easy and convenient, because I know that our lives change on the daily. And so we want to be able to be flexible in this little section here. So it is free flowing, but I put on there, when I wanted to do my email newsletter, when I want to do my, reels, and when I want to publish my blog posts. And then I put them in an actual time schedule. And then of course, any appointments that come up that I know about, like I put on Monday, the interview for the podcast and the time frame that I want to use to work on my front porch for that blog post that I'm going to publish on Wednesday. So hopefully you can kind of see the rhythm here that you have, and the flexibility you have with the weekly, schedule. Now, right here, you will see a QR code every week for the latest episode of the podcast, so you do not miss it. And you just continue this process throughout the 365 days of the year. And I hope that you love this planner as much as I do. We will follow along with it each and every week together. And if you're interested, look below. I also have another opportunity for you to come and join us inside of the newest collaboration group that we have for your business called Fuel. I appreciate you, my friend, and until next time, stay creative.